This is the final video to fix Surface Laptop 7 gaming display issues. And if your screen flickers, lags, or looks blurry while gaming, you are in the right place. Many gamers face this problem because the default display settings and graphics drivers are not fully optimized for high-performance gaming on Surface devices. You might have seen countless videos on YouTube or posts on social media showing complicated steps that take forever and confuse you. But here on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes your display in just a few clicks without any technical headache. All you need is to adjust your display refresh rate and enable the hidden GPU performance settings, and your games will run smoother, sharper, and with less lag instantly. If you want a full step-by-step guide to make your Surface Laptop 7 gaming ready, comment below, and I'll show you exactly how to do it.